Feel funny up there by yourself? Calm down, son. The wind parted anyway. Bowling. This is a 10 right here. Woo, look at this. Jill concentrating too hard. That's it. Dog, Jill. We're not just trying to hear any of that. It brought back memories from Charlotte. It's doing circles over circles. It brought back memories from Charlotte. I need to hear how Asia was doing that with that first ride. Kira got the videos and stuff. Oh, see, stop. There's something wrong with this girl right here.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
I'm getting out of here. I'm getting out. Let's get out of here. Jill, some people don't need a drink.
All I know, I just want my parking space.
Some people don't need a drink. Get to it. No. They're going to be like, there was an emergency at the top of the... Oh my God. Sorry, though.
What we're seeing right now is that sports science is helping
Hello, honey. The main cook of the week. I didn't do too bad on these here, did I? Alright, we're waiting on everybody. Okay, this is Wednesday morning. Y'all, when you're at the beach, well, maybe it's just a vacation thing. Period. But when you're at the beach especially, you just lose track of time for real. And it's a beautiful place. North Myrtle Beach now. As I was telling you in one of the things, South Myrtle Beach is where more of the action is. There's more going on there, more shopping and all that. But, you know, North Myrtle Beach is nice if you want to drive to where all the action is. Yep. There's Sanibel. This is the ocean front, of course, all the ones you see. Right there, and then we're in the second row. And all that down there looks pretty good, doesn't it? It looks whenever you're standing here. Beautiful. Supposedly Elsa is gonna come this way. Tropical storm right now. Maybe tomorrow, Thursday, maybe. So we'll see. Let's stay together. Feel funny up there by yourself? Yeah, just sing the song and then you stop, I get up. You tired of being alone in the front? You love me like you say you do. Put it on paper. You got me drinking again. After all my baby mama's here. Pass it on a fry and milkshake. All right, y'all. I finally got my favorite twosome, fries and milkshake.
when you're loving me.
It's got that fire. All right, we're walking. Shakira's in the back with the music. Oh, look at that house, that color. Gray and what's that, peach? And then it's kind of odd, but. Right, stop to get on 14, but you can stop with the other unless you haven't gotten it. Hey, you said you're gonna put it up at 14?
Mm-hmm.
Hey, it's right, it's on the 14:37. Okay. All right, about 20 more seconds. Whew. That wasn't no joke right there. Whew. Gosh, let me get off of that. Oh.
Right up towards our station, actually.
Oh, good.
Okay, so we're north Myrtle Beach.
Towards the northeast.
Towards the northeast. Okay, so a little bit of a tilt on it, but Forest Brook in about a minute. Carolina Forest in about 3 minutes. Long's in about 26 minutes. Loris
We'll be
again.
still over here.
Long's, Tabor City, White Bowl. You're all outside of this cone, but if it does hold together,
Glad we're not
and
in the
extended,
cone.
you will be dealing with this system
Rotation.
relatively soon as it continues to move towards that area. Taking a little bit of a close look at what we're dealing with. Yeah.
Ooh. Calm down, son. The wind part of it anyway. Dr. Coholic. Dr. Coholic. Is that's the one that prescribed it for him. Take one shot orally every few minutes, or I'm trying to read through my camera, or as needed. That's something right there.
Coholic.
Yeah, Dr. Coholic. That's something, man. Things are starting to calm down. Let me check this. This is starting to dry up out here on the balcony. We do have a couple of chairs blown. Got a few people walking the beach. Ooh, it's windy out there. Still good and windy though.